Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I do have an unboxing for y'all. I'm not going to be doing a voiceover at all. Yeah, this is the Igel Beauty lamp. I've told you guys I was waiting on. We'll get all into that once I get into the unboxing part. But this is how it comes packaged, your regular USPS original B box. And yeah, I'm going to take it out the box and then we can unwrap it together. So in the inside, when I open it up, they do just have like a little bit of packaging in here for support. I did get the Hybrid Pro wireless one, and I got it in like the rose pink. All right, so this is what it looks like. My bad, y'all. I'm drinking a matcha latte and I don't want it to drip on my table. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let me grab some scissors. I fell in love with this lamp when I was in school. This was one of the lamps that the school had. Well, they actually had a couple of them. And I'm one of them people who don't like to buy stuff like this from Igel Beauty just because I think their customer service is horrible, especially for electronics. Like, I'll buy other stuff from them, but like electronics, they don't do like exchange. It's pretty, their customer service as far as electronics pretty much sucks. So that's that. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see my stomach. I got on a half shirt. I'm sorry if you can. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a really, really good lamp. Now, where I messed up is I could have purchased this lamp. I could have purchased this lamp from my local nail supply. I'm not sure if they had it in pink, but I know that they do have it there because that's where my school got it from, our local nail supply. And so it does come in a box that you can keep for storage in case you need to carry your supplies anywhere. So it does have a handle. So let's pop it open and see. I'm so excited, y'all. I've really been waiting on this. They recently had another sale. This was about 60% off, so I did go ahead and grab it. With shipping, it came to $161. I believe this is originally like $389 on their website. So just looking right inside the box, the first thing you do is have a warranty card. I have to read this and see what type of warranty this is. To complete your warranty, register your device, blah, 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 blah. All right, so I will register my device because just like my D&D drill, it like conked out on me. And I only had it for like 6 months. I had to use the warranty. So let's take this beauty out of here. I like this because it's perfect for pedicures. I do service my clients. I do service them and give them pedicures. So this is perfect because I'm able to take the bottom piece off. Throw that down there. Yeah, this is perfect because I'm able to take the bottom piece off when I'm doing pedicures, and I can just sit this piece right over top of their foot. Let me see how to put this on here. Now, oh, okay, yep. So when I'm doing, if you want to use it without the bottom, it does come with stands. So let me see how that works. It comes with stands, so you can just have it like this. This is perfect if you are putting your foot in there. So that's what the stands do. Hold on. And this is magnetic, so it clips right on like that. Now this, you do have to charge it, and after you charge it, I'll show you what the back look like. It's like a little battery icon to let you know if your battery is low or not, or if it needs to be charged. That was one of the pet peeves in school. We would be so upset that if like the girls who came in on Saturday use the lamps, and then we go to do nails on Monday and they're not charged. Like, yo, these are wireless. That's the whole purpose of it being wireless. You don't want to have all these cords at your desk. So it just comes with the 2 pieces. I'm just going to connect in here like that. Sorry if I'm breathing hard, y'all. I literally ran down in my nail area to record this. Like, let me show the girls what I got. And of course I got it in pink. The ones at school were gray. So in the back, and this is actually, I think, a newer model than the one at school. I don't know if it's a newer model or it's just prettier because it's pink. So you plug this in here. You got your builder gel mode, 90 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds in your on and off button, and then everything will display here. I'll show you in a minute when I plug it up, because we're going to put her to the test. This is a really good lamp. I can't recommend you to buy it from them because I don't even know why I did it. I'm tripping. But I can tell you, if you see it at your local nail supply, grab it, because I think at my local nail supply it's like $175, so not a big difference. So here's the on button. It does say Igel. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Can y'all see that? Let me turn out one of my lights. All right, so hopefully y'all can see that. So here, Igel Beauty, the battery is moving up and down because it is charging. 30 is there, and then the battery icon right there. So I'm going to show y'all what I love so much about this, besides the color and besides it is wireless. Ooh, I'm so happy. And it does light up at the top right here with Igel Beauty. So we're going to transfer a foil or something real quick. I'm gonna come right back. Let me grab something. All right, I'm back. So what I'm gonna do is just, I think I have a swatch stick somewhere. I'm gonna grab a swatch stick. And then we are going to pick out a foil. Which one we gonna get? Let's get one that'll really show up. And we're gonna cut a little piece off. And roll this up. I did do a live on my Instagram. I wasn't able to save it. I don't know why. Probably because music was playing in the background. But this I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just take my foils and store them in here. I literally have tons of them in there. $2.99 Hobby Lobby. Another thing, when y'all working with foil, you have to really understand what type of lamp you got, whether it's UV or LED. A lot of people don't know or don't know the difference. Let me know if y'all want me to do like a video with stuff like that. All right, so then I'm gonna pop mine in here, and I'm going to do 60 seconds and come right back to put the foil on. It is about up. Now I'm just gonna go in with my foil the way I want to, drop it on the center, put it pretty much where I want it, go in, press everything down where it needs to be. I don't know what happened. I thought I was just recording. I was steady talking. And voila, your foil will be ready. I love this. So I do recommend it, but like I said, order at your own risk, because this did take me, shoot, I was still in school when I ordered this. This took me like 6 weeks to get. So yeah, it took a long time, like I said. But yeah, that's it. That's all I just wanted to hop on here and talk to y'all. I'm trying to post a little bit more because the word on the street is y'all miss me. So yeah, I will holler at y'all when I do my other hand. Oh yeah, let me get off of here. I'm rambling. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.